To enable and use Quickball in POCO M8 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on my device right here. Next step is to scroll all the way down and click on the additional settings. Inside we'll be able to find the Quickball. If you enter it, you can turn it on, and then I will show you at the end of the video how to actually use it. First, let's adjust the settings and explain them. So we have select shortcuts. This allows you to change which shortcuts will be available for your Quickball. You can go for a home, to open home, you can go for menu, lock screen, screenshot, or any other option that you can see right here. Just change it to whatever you want. Then next thing is preferred gesture. You can go for tap or swipe. I will also explain this at the end when we try to use it. Then there's hide automatically, and you can enable which apps won't have access to Quickball. So this won't toggle when you're in one of the apps. So for example, if you're playing games, this might be very annoying. So I would recommend to just hide this for any games that you're playing. Then there's the move aside when full screen. So that means if you're watching a movie on YouTube, for example, you've put on a full screen, then this option won't toggle as well. There's also stick to the edge after 3 seconds of inactivity, and if you enable it, it should hide after 3 seconds if I'm not using it. As you can see, if the option is disabled, it will always be visible, and this might be annoying, as I said, so you can enable this option. Then there's wake up areas. You can adjust it to custom and then change where the curve will be, or you can put on default, which will put it on the most edge of the screen. Now when we have every option here covered, to use it, depending on which preferred gesture you have, either swipe or tap. For swipe, you will need to click and hold edge of the screen and then quickly move to one of the sides. That way you will toggle this shortcut. So for example, we can do something like this, and then it opens my menu. We can go to the screenshot, I think right here, or lock. That way we'll be able to lock our screen. So that's how it works in the swipe version. Let's unlock the phone and show you how the tap works. So if we switch to the tap right here, we can just open it, then tap right here, and then choose which shortcut we want to perform. And the swipe won't work anymore. And that is basically everything. So thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.